Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change a GitHub repository from private to public. Open github.com and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you land on your GitHub homepage. From the homepage, open the repository you want to make public. It's in the repositories list on the left. I always click through and check the repo name on the main page before touching settings because opening the wrong one here would be a real problem. If you have several repos with similar names, this is the moment to catch it. At the top of the repository page, click Settings. If you don't see Settings, open the repository drop-down menu and select Settings from there. The General Settings page opens by default, so stay there and scroll down toward the bottom. Keep scrolling until you hit the Danger Zone section. This is where GitHub hides the settings that can change a repo permanently, including the visibility change. If you don't have admin access, the visibility controls won't show here. On an organization repo, an owner can restrict who is allowed to change repository visibility. Before you click into visibility, go back to the Code tab and do a quick security pass. This is the part people skip, and it's the one that gets them into trouble. Look through the file list for API keys, passwords, access tokens, private documents, personal information, business information, confidential files, or private configuration files. Never publish API keys or passwords. Every public repository can be forked by anyone. That's good for contributors, but it also means someone can take a copy and run it on their own. If you're not sure about a file, open it and check. Anything in the file tree and the commit history can be seen once the repo is public. Simply deleting a sensitive file from the latest version may not be enough if that information was committed before, because the history still has it. If you've accidentally committed a secret, revoke or replace the credential before you make the repository public. I always open the commits link above the file list and scan old commits for anything that should not become public. That's where secrets hide, because people fix the current files but forget the old snapshots. If you find a key or password in an old commit, don't just delete it from the current version. Go to the service that issued it and revoke it, because it's already visible to anyone who can read that commit. Click the Actions tab and check the logs, because those become visible too. If a workflow run printed a secret, remove it or revoke it before continuing. This is also the time to add a README and a license if the repository is for an open source project. It looks unfinished without them. Now head back to Settings, scroll to the Danger Zone again, and find Change Repository Visibility. Click Change Visibility. A window appears with the available visibility options. Select Public. That means anyone on GitHub can view the repository, fork it, and see your public activity. You can change it back later, but anything copied while it was public stays out there. GitHub then shows the effects of the change. Read this warning carefully before continuing. The code becomes visible to everyone, anyone can fork the repository, actions history and logs become visible, and changes that were previously private can become publicly visible. Stars and watchers are erased. That last one is easy to miss. Next, GitHub asks you to confirm the repository. Look at the repository name in the dialog. Make sure it is exactly the one you want to make public. Then check the box that says I have read and understand these effects. This confirms that you understand what the visibility change will do. Click Make this repository public. GitHub processes the change and the settings page updates. After it finishes, go back to the repository main page. The private label should be gone and the repository should show public. Open the repository in a browser window where you're not signed in to verify that it can be viewed publicly. One thing to know about private forks: click the fork count on the right side of the repository page. That opens the list of forks. If any of them were private, GitHub keeps them private but disconnects them from the original repository after this change. Back in Settings at the bottom, if you never saw Change Visibility, that's a permission problem, not a missing feature. Organization owners can restrict who can change repository visibility, so you'd need to contact the owner. If this got your repo public, give it a like, subscribe for more GitHub walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.